This is where the journey of millions of bottles of watermelon juice begins. Just a little lower, easy on the conveyor. Make sure they stack tight in the back.
Is the load secure on truck 4?
Yes, driver. Ropes are tightened.
Good. Time to head to the factory. All right, bring the next one to bay 4. Clear the gate.
This one has a soft spot right here.
All right, move it to the reject pile. The rest of the shipment is approved.
Rotating brushes scrub each watermelon as it moves through the washing system. The brushes remove any remaining dirt from the rind surface.
Keep an eye on the pressure bruises. Roger that. Diverting this one now. Looks like the automated sorting is working perfectly. Yeah, the crushers are clear.
The crushed watermelon mixture flows into specialized extraction systems. Powerful presses squeeze every possible. Industrial separators remove seeds from the extracted juice stream. The machines spin rapidly to separate solids from liquids.
Pressure levels look stable now.
And the flow rate is optimal. The clarity is perfect.
Temperature in tank 4 is fluctuating. I'm initiating the fine-tune.
Confirmed. All parameters remain within strict limits.
Temperatures are stable at 75 Celsius. Calibration confirmed. We are cleared for bottling. Immediately after heating, the watermelon juice passes through rapid cooling systems. Chilled equipment lowers the temperature to optimal levels. Data input complete. System stable. Verified against the log. We are good to go. Coding machines print production dates and batch numbers onto each bottle. Laser systems apply clear and permanent markings. This information allows complete product traceability. Check the throughput on sorter 4.
Looks stable, but the next wave is heavy.
Check the manifest for aisle 7. We need to prioritize the watermelon juice shipment.
Acknowledged. Moving it now.